probably the luckiest barber on the planet. I got another package in the mail, and this one is from Steeno Surgical. So it is some amazing barber stylist supplies that are in my hand that I'm about to reveal with you here today, and I am super, super pumped about it. So let's see what's in number one. So I like this. It feels like a little clutch. Everybody likes a good clutch, you know, put your stuff in, whatever. Night on the town, except what's in it. We have got a texturizer or thinning shear, as well as looks like a 7-inch shear. So let's see how these feel. This has got a really nice point on it. So really great for point cutting, slide cutting. Just kidding. But yeah, it fits really well. I like how it has like, you know, a little muscular fingers at this point in my career because I've been doing this for a while, and it's a good fit. So I like how they fit in my hand. It feels really comfortable. And this is Steeno. So I'll put that in the camera and you can see it. And then let's see what else is in this bag. We've got a texturizer or thinning shear. So you can see it's the same brand. And it looks like about a 50%, maybe 40%. So it's going to take out a pretty hefty amount of hair. And when you're dealing with a lot of these fades and stuff like that, and you're having this heavy weight, you know, you can pull it up, redirect it, kind of get some of that weight out of it, and it makes the best pompadours. Do not use these to fade your haircuts. Get your clipper work right. But these are very, very good for pulling out a lot of the additional weight that you may have on the top of your hair. Do not use these to fade. You're a fraud. Don't use them to fade. All right, let's see what's in number two. This one is a zipper bag. It is not a clutch, but ooh, red interior. And if you know me, you know I love that red interior. So in this one, we've got these guys. Pretty pimp. So I guess these are for, looks like doing some like cuticle work, stuff like that. So those are pretty awesome. I can feel that they're high quality because they have a little bit of weight to them. So I can appreciate that in this line of work. And then let's see what else we have in here. Got two, not one, but two straight razors. And they're pretty pimp, if I do say so myself. This is one where, of course, you can put your detachable blades in here. I stick my fingernail in here. I don't know how you guys do it without having nails, but just simply place your disposable blade in here, pop it down, flip it, and get your shave on. Essential to each and every barber, and I really like the detail work on this. I think it looks really good. Something else that I'm feeling right now is this one as well. You know, I'm all about that gold. This one has nice gold plating here. Again, you just pop this open and you can put a disposable blade. I like to use little derby blades. I can get like 100 of them for like $4. So it's a lot of shaving that you can do for a great price. And here is the name brand again right here. So I'm feeling that. I'm gonna put some miles on these guys today. So I got a hell of a lot of fades going on. Well, top, tight, solid today. So, and on the other side, it's like gold. It is gold. And we have, gosh, it's a nice long shear. Let's look at the tip of it. Pull this out here. So this is a little bit less a pointed tip. It's got a little roundness to it. So looks like something that you could use maybe on dry hair. These feel like a dry cutter. It feels like you can go through some hair, you know what I'm saying? And they fit well. Again, like, it's comfortable. I do hold my shears weird, and I'm okay with it. I've been doing this for a long time. The proper way and making all that money, so I don't mind. And then, last but not least, a matching texturizer, not blender. You don't use this to blend. All the barbers out there that are using this to blend in your haircuts, stop. Learn how to fade. It's all on the wrist. So these are really great as well. You can see the teeth on it. It looks like it's going to cut out quite a bit of hair. And it's just a really comfortable fit. So I want to thank this company for sending this to me. And I'm going to actually try all of this out today.